Hello guys, welcome back to Car Obsession and welcome once more to Leo, my Mk2 SEAT Leon Cupra. In this video, I'm fitting an oil catch can. Now, what exactly is an oil catch can? Well, the clue is in the name. It catches oil as well as other contaminants that would be going back into your intake manifold. Now, this is particularly important because Leo has got a stage 1 map, so he is boosted. Right, let's get on to it. So here is the kit I'm using, which is made by Forge Motorsport. I will put a link to the product in the video description below. So yes, right, got the instructions, and let's get cracking. The first part of the instructions states that the engine cover needs to be removed, but I don't have one fitted because I've got a Revo induction kit. Therefore, I skipped that step and jumped straight to the bit where I needed to remove the breather pipes from the PCV valve. These pipes can get brittle over time, so be careful when removing them, otherwise they may break. Next, I removed the 4 T25 bolts holding the PCV valve in place and put them to one side, as I will need to use them later. I would say it's a good idea to replace the gasket whilst you're there. My one had only been fitted for around a year or so, but I thought better to be safe than sorry. Next up, I replaced the PCV valve with the Forge Motorsport PCV Delete using the same 4 bolts I removed earlier. The bolt that secures the windscreen washer filler neck will be the same one used for the oil catch can, and the new kit comes with a smart snazzy unit to replace the old crappy looking plastic one. Unlike the OEM filler neck, the Forge unit requires a hose clip at either end to secure it. Be sure to have a 7mm hose clip driver to make fitting them easier. Fit the new Forge windscreen washer filler neck as well as the catch can using the same bolt that was removed earlier. A break for coffee and a bacon roll is optional. Once fed and watered, I fitted the new braided hoses that come in the kit and once more used the hose clip driver to help secure them in place. The kit also comes with a blanking cap for the intake manifold, which goes in place of the OEM breather pipe you will need to remove. Insert the metal grub screws using some Loctite or something of a similar nature, unless you are running a boost gauge. If so, the kit has attachments to cater for that. To fit the grub screws into the blanking cap, you will need a 3mm Allen key, or if you're watching this in the US of A, you will need a 3mm hex key. Insert the cap and use the clip to secure it in place. Once that has been completed, the job is done. Actually, no. One last finishing touch. That's better. Now that it's fitted, I will be monitoring how much oil and contaminants have been caught, so I'll update you once I have covered 1,000 miles. So there we have it, the Forge Motorsport oil catch can fitted, which was a pretty easy job and one I would recommend, particularly if you have a remapped car. Forge Motorsport have been fantastic with their service. As I said at the top of the video, I will put a link for the kit in the video description below. If you have enjoyed this video or found it useful or helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession.